Hello and welcome to Teacher John Math. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register and sign up for Khan Academy. It is a online interactive educational tool which, if you don't find at least challenging, you might even find it fun. So first step is type in khanacademy.org into your browser window, as I've done up here in the upper left. And once you've done that, on the right side, upper right side, it says login. Click on login. And you have three different options: Google, Facebook, and you can create one through your email account. The most versatile would be to create one through Facebook, and that's the video I'm going to show now. It allows you to share your progress, your awards, and your badges with your friends on Facebook if you choose to. So here's how we do this. Click on Facebook button and opens up a second smaller window. In that window, type in your own username that you use to log into Facebook. So you're going to type in your username and password that you use to log into Facebook. Don't type in mine because it won't work. So type in your username and then your password. Click login. After that, you're done. You've registered. It might ask you for a few questions to ask permission to allow Facebook to permission to post your progress and your achievements, and click OK on that as well. So once you're in, click on your profile tab, because the next step I want to do is show you how to add a coach, or a teacher/coach. Now over here it's going to have your name. It won't have my name, John Armstrong, but it'll have your name, and click on your profile. So visit your profile, and this is my profile, but you'll have your own profile. And on the left hand column down here where it says coaches, click on this tab here, because this is where you'll be able to add a coach to your account. So click on coach, as I've done, and I've removed myself as a coach so I could do it again as an example to show you. So you're going to add your coach. Your coach is going to give you their ID number. Okay, a different teacher, a different coach might have a different one. Mine is, for my students, will be John Armstrong SD at yahoo.com. Double check that. Looks correct. Click add coach. And there, now it has a list of your coaches. Now, if you want to, you can add your family members, your parents, friends, and peers from school in your coach views as well. And that just allows your coach to see statistics and data on your progress, which is quite detailed and very insightful. So now you're done. So you can start playing with Khan Academy and working with the exercises. So I just real briefly just want to point a few different key points here. You're going to want to use, you can watch videos, math, science, test prep, talk interviews. Most likely we're going to be working in practice here. Click on practice for math. For now, I've only noticed math exercises. Maybe in the future there'll be science exercises. But start at the top of the tree. The tree, a star tree or whatever you want to call it, it starts at the beginning with addition and subtraction and goes all the way to the bottom, all the way down to calculus. Now this is zoomed out mode. What I suggest doing is working at the top, but working in a zoomed in mode where you can actually see the individual concepts within the particular unit, like addition or telling time, absolute value, multiplication, or division. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in just a tiny bit more, so that's all I see, are just the particular topics of the concepts. So I'm going to pick, let's say, and you'll have different colored dots, and I'll get into that later, but just you click on a problem and you're given a problem. So it just says, where does the orange, what number does the orange dot represent? And the orange dot is at -1, so you can type in -1 and you check your answer. Now 3 leaves means you got 100% correct. Move on to the next problem. Drag the orange dot to 5. So 5, well, this is the negative direction, this is the positive. If you're not sure, you can watch a video. You can ask your teacher for more information on a particular concept, but it says drag it to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 would be over here. Now let's just purposely give the incorrect answer. So I'll put 2, okay? And it's going to say, but it kind of wiggled. It would say try again right here. You can either show a solution and keep clicking. It says step 1, 4, 3, 2, 1 step, 0 steps left, and it shows you the actual answer. And then you can try it again at that point. So and we get it right. But this time we only got one leaf. The third option is you move on to the next problem, and what number does the orange dot represent? It is 2. So let's put 3. We know it's incorrect. Put 3, and it says wrong. Try again. So you double check it, you read it again, and you go, oh, okay, 0, 1, 2. Put in 2, the correct answer. Try again, and this time you get 2 leaves. So what that means is when you get it 100% correct, you'll get 3 leaves, no hints, and not trying again. 1 leaf represents you've looked at the solutions and it got it incorrect the first time and showed the solution. The solution means answer, and you looked at the answer. So you'll get 1 star for that, 3 for not looking, and 2 for just trying it again on your own. Okay? Now after you got it correct, you can still show the solution, and it doesn't affect the leaves after you've answered it correctly. All right, so go ahead back into practice, and you can choose, you can type in, I'll get into this later, but you can type in titles of videos and exercises you want to practice on this line or up here. So this is enough to get you started. You're now registered, and you've added a coach to added me as your coach to Khan Academy. So enjoy playing with this. If you have any questions, look for further videos. Thank you for watching Teacher John Math.